guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I am coming at you with my finale recap of my project pan that I was collaborating with Rachel Terry here on YouTube. We were doing a 5 by fall where we wanted to finish up or like make some progress on 5 products from the start of August to now, which is the start of fall. So if you want to see how I did on my 5 products, just stick around. If you are not familiar with Rachel Terry, I will leave her channel link down below, as well as her recap video down below as well, link it above, or all of the above. But you should definitely check out her channel. She does awesome videos, all kinds of makeup things, shot my stash, project pan, reviews, just anything your heart could desire. She has done it, and she is a wonderful YouTuber, and she is a mom. She's on Instagram. She's really fun. So I hope you enjoy her video, and if you are here from Rachel's channel, thank you so much. I hope you would consider subscribing because I would love to have you around. So, my 5 products. Here we go. My first product was kind of like a 2-in-1. So I included the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I have it in 2 shades. I have a lighter shade, and this is the shade Nude Ivory, which is a light neutral color. And then I also have Buff Bisque, which is a light medium neutral color. And I, in the past, have loved this foundation. Like, this has been my go-to drugstore foundation. So I thought, let's use this up. Like earlier this spring, I started using a different liquid foundation, or I would just use like my Bare Minerals foundation powder, and I kind of stopped using these, and so I wanted to try and use these again. This one was almost gone, and then this one I've had for a while, and it's a darker shade for me, so I thought summer would be a great time to try and use this up. My conclusions of this product is that I don't think I like this anymore. This was like I said, like my go-to foundation for drugstore liquid foundation. And this one I did almost use totally up. You can see where I like scraped the sides on this. This one I still have a lot left in here, but I used this a few times after I started the 5 by fall pan, and I just like, I was unhappy with how my makeup looked. It would like separate on me throughout the day. And so I just stopped using this, honestly. I mean, I'd say this one is done. Like, I'm counting that one as done. But I wanted to like get some use out of this one too. I didn't even really end up using this one. I think I maybe used this one twice. This one I probably used 5 or 6 times, and just like, I'd rather my face look good and like my foundation last all day and look nice than like have it be breaking apart and separating halfway through the day. And so I've decided I'm done with these, and I guess it's out of my collection, or well, I shouldn't say that because I have a declutter coming soon. Hopefully it'll be at the start of October. And so I'll be keeping those for that, which I will be decluttering these, but you get the picture. Product number 2 is a concealer, and it's from Catrice. It's their Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I really, really enjoy this concealer, and it's completely gone. So when I started the pan, I had just removed the like little stopper here, but I ended up shoving it further into the tube. I don't know if you can see it down there, but I still had a lot of product like around the top and just a lot of places I could pull concealer from in here. Now there's like none. Like, I have used up so much of this concealer, but I would definitely repurchase this. This is really great. It's a super easy concealer. A lot of my favorite concealers are hard to use. So like, they're not in this formula, they're in like a squeezy tube, and so they're just more of a process. This one I would say is up there in my favorites. Like, it's really great. It doesn't have as much coverage as some of my other concealers do, but for the ease of this application and like the process of using this, the color is really nice for me, which I have it in 010 Porcelain. It works great for me. So I will probably repurchase this soon. I have a few concealers I'm trying to use up, but this one's gone, so yay. The last face product is from Naked Cosmetics, and it is the Translucent HD Finishing Powder. And it's just like this white powder. I like to use this if I'm going for like a simple makeup look where I'll just be like putting some concealer on. I will set my whole face with this very lightly. So I'll put like concealer on like under my eyes and like some spots, and then I'll just kind of go in and set with this. And this is a great setting powder. What I normally do if I'm using this on like a day-to-day basis and I have more like foundation on, I'll do my foundation, concealer, and then I'll set my under eyes, and then kind of like right in here, right in this area, and then like maybe the middle of my forehead, just anywhere that I tend to kind of like get a little bit of breakage happening, or like where foundation can kind of break apart. I'll apply this, and then it works really good. So you can kind of see here, I have just the tiniest bit left. I used it this morning and was like shaking it to get any out onto the lid. And so I'll probably finish this like tomorrow. Like this is like one use left in here. But I do really like this. I got this in an Ipsy bag maybe like last summer or so, and I really have enjoyed this product. It took me so much longer to use this than I thought it would. I'm glad to get it done with, and I'll miss it. I have a brow product. This is from NYX. It's the Micro Brow Pencil, and I have it in the shade Taupe. Now, a lot of people really like this brow pencil, and they say it's like super comparable to the Anastasia Brow Wiz, which I can't say because I've never tried the Brow Wiz. But from my experience, this is a pretty great brow pencil. I've actually done a whole series on brow pencils. If you're interested in it, I'll link the series up above. I go over 5 drugstore cruelty-free brow products. This was in that series. It is the most expensive brow pencil from that series, and it's probably my least favorite as well. But I just had this for quite a while and was wanting to finish this product up, and I did. It is completely gone. I have it all the way twisted up, and there is literally none left. I think I used the last of this like 2 days ago and could barely just like put it through the tail of my brow, and then had to take something else elsewhere. So I'm happy that this is done. It has like a spoolie on the other end. While I did say this is my least favorite from that brow series that I did, I did like it. Like, it's a good solid brow pencil. This is normally $10. I would not spend $10 on this brow pencil. I would for sure try and get it like on a sale or use a coupon. Ulta always has sales. You can use a $3.50 off coupon. I would not buy this for $10. Like, that's way too much money. But if you can get it for like $5 or $6, much better value, because there is really not very much product in here either, especially compared to a lot of other drugstore brow products. There's like nothing in here, but it was all right. Like I said, I probably won't repurchase this again unless if I'm in like a pinch and for some reason the only brand available to me is NYX, then I will get this, I guess. The last product I do not have on me. I cannot find it. It is the Tarte Lip Paint in the shade Partey. Or I think, oh, no, that was the blush. What was the lipstick called? Birthday Suit. That's what it was called, Birthday Suit. And it was the Sephora like birthday gift last year, so 2017. Their birthday gift was like this little Tarte duo. It was a blush, which was in the shade Partey, and then the liquid lipstick, which was in the shade Birthday Suit. Really enjoyed that liquid lipstick. It was like this really nice pink color. It definitely wasn't like a warm pink. It wasn't like a cool pink. It just ran right down the middle. It was really neutral. Looked really nice on your lips. It wasn't super drying. I know they have a few different formulas in their liquid lipstick. I never know how to tell them apart. I always get super confused, but it was really nice. And so my sister had mentioned to me a few months ago that, because we both really liked them, that hers started to like turn a little bit and it wasn't quite as good anymore. It kind of had like a smell to it and it wasn't great. So I was a little worried about mine because I loved it, that I was like, I want to get some use out of this. So I put it in my project. I used it, I think twice, because the first time I used it, which I hadn't used it in probably at least a month, I put it on and was like, I think this smells a little weird, but I'm not quite sure. Like I could be wrong about this. And then the next time I went to go use it, it just like felt off. And so I think mine started to go bad as well, which was unfortunate, but I feel like I did get a lot of use out of it overall, not in this pan, but it was pretty dang close to being done anyways. I think I mentioned that in my original video talking about the intro to this series, is that there really wasn't a lot of use left in that product anyways. So I'm kind of counting that one as being done as well. So out of the 5 products, the only ones I didn't really finish were the foundation, which one of them is pretty much technically gone, the other one isn't, and then the lip product, which I can't find. I put it in like a makeup bag or like a purse or something, and it's gone. I have no idea. I looked everywhere for it before I filmed this video, so I'm sorry, I don't have it anymore, but that one's not completely gone either. But the other 3 products are totally gone, all gone. I used them, so I'm feeling pretty good about my 5 by Fall project pan. But thank you so much for joining me today. Again, check out Rachel's video. I will link it below or above or everywhere. And check out her channel. I really like her and I think you will as well. So thanks again for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yay, panning. Yay, success. Okay, until next time. Bye guys.